Today we're going to talk about how you can delay updates on your iPhone or your iPad and how people have been doing it all wrong and not actually delaying them by any more than a few hours. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So obviously it's not a good thing to delay updates on your iPhone or your iPad because they do not only contain feature updates which change things but also contain important security updates which keep you and your devices safe. But I do understand that some people do have the desire or the need to delay updates for perhaps a few days, weeks or months. This can be for many reasons. It could be that you don't want to be one of the first to get updates because unfortunately updates that are pushed out to many devices these days are not thoroughly tested. And often we feel that if we're one of the first to get these updates, we're really just guinea pigs. So some of us like to wait a little while for these companies to iron out those problems that become apparent when the updates are first released. On many occasions, I've seen many iPhone and iPad users talk about issues with battery drain when an update first comes out. And what I mean by battery drain is, the battery drains far faster than it did before the update came through. This is often due to a fault within the update, which is usually rectified in a later update. Unfortunately, if you've already got an update, it's nigh on impossible to reverse that update and go back to an earlier version of the operating system. So what I would suggest is when you see the software update message, before you install the updates, perhaps do some research. Google the update with the word problem or issue. So here on mine, it says iPad OS 26.3.1 is available for your iPad and is ready to install. So what I would do is, before I hit anything, I would Google iPad OS 26.3.1 problems or issues and see if other users have experienced problems. And if you think that problems that other users have had would severely affect you, then I would recommend you delay installing the update. Now, as I said earlier, many users have tried to delay updates but found a few hours later these updates have come through anyway. And this is because the procedure they've used to delay the updates is all wrong. So I'm going to show you the way to delay the updates, which can delay them almost indefinitely if you want. What a lot of people usually do is on this screen here they tap later, and then on the next screen it's a little bit misleading because it asks you for your passcode. Now if you type in your passcode here, what it will do is it will reschedule the update for overnight tonight, but we don't want it to do that. So whatever you do, do not type in your passcode here. As I say, if you do that, then quite possibly overnight then the device will try to update itself. Instead, what you want to do is you want to tap Remind Me Later. Now this screen will disappear and yeah, for sure, it will remind you again later, but it might not be for another 7 days, it might not be for another 30 days, but it will remind you again later. And what I would say is, if when that comes back up again, you don't want that update, then follow these instructions again. Now, most people would ask, how long do you leave it before you actually do update your phone or iPad after an update comes out? And everybody will tell you something different. As a general rule of thumb, I wait until I've seen this message telling me that the update is ready at least 3 times. Then again, I Google the version number, but please be aware this number may have changed since the last time you saw the update message, so make sure you double check that version number before you Google it again. And check to see if anyone is still suffering from problems, and make sure that any problems that may affect you have been rectified before installing that update. And in the meantime, before the update message comes up again and you do decide that you want to do the update, then you can do that. Just go into Settings from the main icon screen, then tap General and then tap Software Update, and then follow the instructions on screen. As I said earlier, it's not good to delay these updates for too long because they do contain security updates which do help protect you and your device. And you may find if you delay these updates for too long, you might find that some apps will stop working after a while. But this video just gives you a chance to delay any potential issues for a little while. Let us know in the comments down below if you do things differently and how you delay your updates and what you think about delaying updates. Should you delay them? If you do delay them, how long do you delay them for? Please let us know in the comments down below. It would be good to hear from you.